Are you looking for simple ways to boost your health and vitality? What if I told you that transforming your health could be as simple as what you put on your plate? Stay tuned as we unveil the power of salads and how they can revolutionize your well-being. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our life-changing tips and tricks. 1. Rich source of nutrients. Let's dive right into the first benefit: the incredible nutrient profile of salads. From leafy greens like spinach and kale to nutrient-packed veggies like tomatoes and bell peppers, salads are a treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients play a vital role in supporting overall health, boosting the immune system, and preventing various diseases. 2. Weight management. Ally now, let's talk about weight management. Salads are low in calories but high in volume, making them an excellent choice for those looking to shed a few pounds. The fiber content in vegetables and greens keeps you feeling full, reducing the likelihood of overeating and helping you maintain a healthy weight. 3. Gut health boost. The next benefit is a game changer: improved gut health. Salads are a fantastic source of fiber, promoting a healthy digestive system by supporting regular bowel movements and fostering the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A happy gut is key to overall well-being. 4. Hydration station. Did you know that many vegetables have a high water content? Incorporating salads into your diet helps keep you hydrated, contributing to better skin health, improved circulation, and enhanced bodily functions. It's like having a hydration station on your plate. 5. Heart-healthy choices. Now, let's talk about matters of the heart. Literally, salads, especially those featuring leafy greens, are associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. The fiber, antioxidants, and potassium found in salads contribute to lower blood pressure and improved cardiovascular health. 6. Blood sugar regulation. For those keeping an eye on blood sugar levels, salads are a fantastic ally. The fiber in vegetables slows down the absorption of sugars, preventing rapid spikes in blood glucose levels. Including salads in your meals can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk. 7. Boosted energy levels. Feeling sluggish? Here's where salads come to the rescue. The combination of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and a variety of nutrients provides a steady release of energy throughout the day. Say goodbye to those mid-afternoon energy slumps and hello to sustained vitality. 8. Enhanced skin and hair health. Last but certainly not least, salads contribute to radiant skin and luscious locks. The vitamins and antioxidants present in veggies help combat oxidative stress, promote collagen production, and contribute to a healthy complexion. Your skin and hair will thank you for this nutritious treat. Who knew that something as simple as eating a daily salad could have such incredible benefits for your health? Whether you're looking to boost your nutrient intake, manage your weight, or simply feel more vibrant, adding salads to your diet is a delicious and easy way to achieve your health goals. Outro. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the incredible benefits of incorporating salads into your daily routine. From boosting your immune system to promoting weight loss, salads offer a treasure trove of health advantages. Embrace the vibrant array of colors and flavors that salads bring to your plate, making each bite a celebration of well-being. So, here's to a healthier, happier you, one salad at a time. Keep exploring the world of nutritious choices and savor the incredible benefits of this simple yet powerful addition to your diet. Cheers to a vibrant and wholesome life.